What's up, guys? If you're new here, the last video I made of my shipbox included tinting most of the windows, but I did not do the sunroof. So this is how me and my friend Ethan monkey brained it. You're looking nice. I got on camera.
Ooh, hello.
Yeah. Alright.
Wait, what was the penetrating catalyst for?
Penetrating?
Yeah.
The penetrating fluid?
Catalyst.
It's catalyst?
Yeah.
It's PV blaster.
What's that for?
It's for the
PV?
exhaust bolts. In case. We're gonna use it anyways, cause like. Am I hot?
Let me see. 80 degrees, eh?
Alright, that looks good. We're gonna wipe it with the lint-free cloth after we cut this. Yeah. We are good to go.
We are farmers. Oh my god.
I like it.
I don't like that. Keep going. So you can stop.
So now that we did this,
That's the hard part.
We gotta clean it.
I'm alright. Actually, my mom just called again. I gotta.
there's people inside this. Did you know?
Crazy.
Alright, so basically what we have here is I put the tin on the outside, not fully, but the other side, and I'm gonna heat shrink it so that it fits nicer, but I cut it pretty nice. It's not terrible, okay?
It's pretty good.
It's gonna fit and it's gonna look good. Each shrunk. It's nice and
We're strunkified.
does not touch the glass.
One place my finger's been, it's off my ass.
Alright, I peeled a little corner and sprayed it. We can see that's it right there. And now we're going to use the lint-free cloth to get any of lint off the window. Alright, we got the, I'll show you. You can't really see anything anyways. We got the tint on. I'll show you in the morning. And my boy is, what you doing down there?
Don't worry about it.
Okay. Alright, we are going to lay out the exhaust system to see if we have everything before we start.
Boxing. Unboxing. Oh yeah.
Let's get the pieces out.
Oh yeah, you're coming home with me. Alright, but my mom said I gotta go with yours.
Oh my god. Alright, we gotta wear gloves then. Because the fingerprints will burn on the exhaust the first time you like touch it.
Yeah. Okay, yeah.
Alright, we got our hardware. This is really long for a cord.
That's your gloves.
And we got our silencer. We don't need that. Dude, that muffler. Alright, we got a little.
It's a single?
We got our pieces right there. Yeah, it's a single. I got the cheap one, man. Ooh, that looks sick. Yeah. Alright. So, we have our muffler right here. And hopefully nothing's welded. That looks very crusty. Oh, man.
But have fun.
Alright, literally all we gotta do is we're gonna take that off first to see what it sounds like. So those bolts right there, and then there's There's a hanger right here. It's literally the penis-shaped thing goes through that hole, and it's just a rubber grommet that holds it. So you just gotta muscle it and get that off, which Ethan can do.
I got it, bro. Yo, watching me struggle.
First time using a wrench.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Make sure you soak your bolts beforehand and soak them periodically and switch between the bolts so you don't snap them.
Wait, so is this gonna be the loudest it is?
No.
Is it gonna get louder?
Yeah. So this is the car without a muffler. Actually, it might be the loudest because that one has a muffler. This is the car without a muffler. We're doing a quick startup around 12:30 a.m. This is not okay. Here we go. Alright, that's without muffler. Oh my god. That already sounds good.
Yeah.
That
wasn't that loud either.
it wasn't bad on startup,
Mhm.
but the other one will be. This is sick. My Ford F-150. Alright, so we had to wait until the morning because busting out the angle grinder was not what you want to do at 1 a.m. in the morning. And I took these saws off for the top one and the angle grinder for the bottom ones, as you can see. And the Sawzall literally knocked out the bottom ones when I was cutting the top. So we might possibly be able to wiggle off this connector here and punch out those bolts. We'll see what happens. You can see all the rust on the floor too. That was not fun, and I think my blade's dead. But we're gonna start removing this entire pipe right here. Hopefully we can just drop it down and we'll put the new stuff on. Let's go.
Yeah, you like that?
Sir. Hell yeah. You can use that as a barbell, bro.
Yeah, bro. Nope.
Alright, I got the closest puller that I think would work. There's a stuck bolt and I can't hammer it out. I tried heating it up. I tried like a bunch of things. It's not coming out. So the only way to get it out was with a puller or a bunch of grinding. We'll see. This is by no means safe and it's probably just gonna pop off. But if you look in the hole, that's the bolt right there that's stuck. And I got really big washers holding it on. If this doesn't work, we're gonna have to make a thickness that's even with it, so it'll work. But I might be able to screw that in and get that to work. We'll see. Oh my god. Finally got it out. I had to drill it out, find the right drill bit that would actually work. Let me show you what I pulled it out with. Let me get up from it. Oh my god. That was the worst bolt I have ever done. I had to pull it out halfway with a ratchet. I had to get the ratchet stuck, and it's super hot. And I spun it after I drilled super far into the bolt. Now it's stuck in the socket, but I'll get that out. That's crazy. Alright, we got the pipe on. I had to also widen up the holes a little bit because they're so rusty. Got the new bolts in. Those should not rust. We might actually have to put a test pipe in because this catalytic converter's rusting the bits. As long as it's not noisy, I'm good. We're gonna continue down the back. I gotta get all this stuff out because we're gonna switch jack spots to the rear one right there. Alright, now I just need to tighten up all the bolts. I took the silencer out right there, so it's a gaping hole. It looks nice. When it turns black, it'll look even better. Just gonna 14mm nuts, tighten them up. Everything fit good. It does touch the metal in one part, which I'm gonna see if I tighten it up, it'll make it better. If not, we'll just get some exhaust wrap or something. Oh no, it's raining. That sounds so good. That's exactly what I wanted it to sound like. Oh my god. Here's a little pull for you. It's frosting. There's frost on the vents. It's blowing out smoke. I don't know if you can see it. It's literally frosting up. That's insane.